Ltd, and I recently posted a video on my easy salad dressing, and I got some calls and comments from you asking you if it was a vinaigrette. So today I decided to show you a classic vinaigrette. Now a vinaigrette, as the name suggests, is made with vinegar or lime juice. The last video I did on easy salad dressing, I used lime juice. But today I'm going to share with you how to make a vinaigrette using balsamic vinegar. And the next video I post will be one where I'm using another vinaigrette using apple cider vinegar. So you must make sure you watch that one also. Now let's go over the ingredients for today's sweet balsamic vinaigrette. We have 1 clove of garlic, a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of honey to bring the sweetness, half cup of extra virgin olive oil, highest quality olive oil, and 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Now it's just one step, add all of our ingredients together. So I'm going to add the oil, salt, pepper, just a gentle mix, then add all the others.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up.
It may take a couple of minutes mixing because we need to make sure we mix the balsamic vinegar and the oil, because you know sometimes it separates, so you mix them well. Now it's done. This dressing is nice and thick. The addition of the honey really elevates the taste. If your salad contains lots of kale or spinach, or one of those leafy greens that has a slightly bitter taste, I highly recommend using this sweet balsamic dressing, because the sweetness from the dressing paired with the bitterness from the greens really gives a nice balanced taste. You could also use this sweet balsamic vinaigrette if you have toast bread. You can just dip it into the toast bread and it tastes amazing. Just an extra tip for you. Sweet balsamic vinaigrette. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes. And once you've watched them all, hit the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.